creature series. The weather is absolutely stunning today, and I thought it would be the perfect backdrop to kick off today's episode. But first, let's check in our last creation. As promised, again, we will be naming our last creation. So let's give this last creature a name. Meet Eggy. Our charming creature from the last episode. Look at those vibrant colors and its unique features. I hope you liked the previous one. But I asked for your suggestions for a name. But yeah, you guys, you didn't suggest any, so again I was like doing egg kind of theme, so I thought why not Eggy, so I named him Eggy. So now let's dive into today's adventure with a brand new creature, and guess what, we are going blue this time. So as usual, we are selecting the canvas size 2048 to 2048 square. Yeah. So now I will create a circle and then place it the size I want. Then we'll go to wrench and we'll select drawing guide, select edit drawing guide, select symmetry, and then go to the rinse section, select it, and then place it in below the vertical center, but the center. Then go to the magic wand and select liquefy and select push. After push, you will get your shape of your base. So now I will draw some ears and the basic features of the creature. So I'll go with this shape, like a leafy kind of shape, then the paws, the side paws, and then we'll jump into the nose and eyes. I'm playing with it, which will look nice. So I have selected and drawn noses before, but yeah, I was just trying fun type of noses, like some small and cute noses, and then I went with a oval heart kind of, and then the eyes, yeah, so eyes. Then I'll fill it in with the black color. Drawing the details, the inner details of the ears. And then we will add some more details to the body. And then the stomach patch, and that's about it, I think. Then we'll remove the extras which we don't need, so the lines in the ears and then the paws. So I want to know that are you guys loving this series? But I want to hear from you guys. Any suggestions for additional features or colors or any type of different video idea? If you want to see me doing that, please drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's create this creature's or any ideas together. Now it's time for the color, so I'll select the outer line area reference, and then the below layer will be the coloring layer. So I was going like a sea blue, bluish theme kind of. So yeah, darker colors in the smaller areas, light colors on the bigger areas, and yeah, basically it. So this is the color theme, and now we'll add some extra details. I was adding similar patch kind of, but then I started to fill it with my own. Because it was, I don't know why reference layers don't fill directly, so that's why. A little bit messy, but it's okay. It's just a part of the process. So, bits and bobs I am adding here and there. I'll add a drippy kind of stuff in the head. Yeah, filling it. And now it's all that I want in the body. Now we'll add some shadows and highlights. Add a layer above the colored layer and make it multiply. But first we'll add the highlights. So we'll go in the layer 1, which was the line art, and then we'll add highlights in the eyes and in the nose. I was matching the highlights properly, and as usual, highlights on the left, shadows on the right, or highlights on the right, shadows on the left. Don't forget that. Yeah, and then the nose highlight, and that's it. About the highlights, some little bits and bobs here and there to make it look like it's shiny. Yeah, and then we'll go for the shadows. Go to the layer in above the colored layer, select it to the multiply and add shadow. Make sure your base color is selected, and yeah, fill it, and you will be good to go. I was thinking about creating some tissue art, so if you are willing to see, let me know in the comments so I can make the idea work. If you want to see tissue crafts / art kind of, yeah, let me know in the comments. Please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Your one subscribe or one hit like or comment makes me happy and makes me smile. if you wanna see this video in Hindi also, I'll make sure I'll work with that. So let me know in the comments. I am waiting for your comments, whatever you say. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, I remember blush this time, so I added go to the soft brush in the section and then create a light shadow with pink or peachy color, and good to go with the blush. It was looking patchy, so I thought why not to change the side of it. So yeah, that's it. Done with the blush, a little some blush in the nose, and yeah, that's it. We are done with this cute little creature. So I'll end up signing it. And yeah, that's a wrap up for today's episode of my creator series. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy creating! So yeah, thanks for watching. And let me know, did you like it or not? Bye bye.